Guangzhou Hansai Biological Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer in China for producing nail gel or UV gel polish products with strict quality management control, dust-free workshop, well-equipped testing facilities, and strong technical force. Our factory located in Guangzhou City, 20 minutes by car to Guangzhou Baiyun Airport, and 2 hours by train to Hong Kong. Our products include soak-off color gel, base gel, top coat, rubber base and top, builder gel, poly gel, spider gel, painting gel, cat eye gel polish, reinforced gel, camouflage gel, platinum gel, thermo gel, chameleon gel, luminous gel glow in the dark, and all kinds of UV gel nail polish products with over thousands of colors. And with a wide range of colors, good quality, reasonable prices, on-time delivery, strong technical ability, high-level quality control, and stylish designs, our products are widely recognized and trusted by users and can meet continuously changing economic and social needs. With professional engineer teams specialized in R&D, professional colorists who can customize any unique color for you. So, we can not only offer raw material and private label services, but also supply the R&D on formulas and design services, also other OEM, ODM services to you. Let's start your brand here. Our goal is to provide the excellent quality of UV gel nail polish with reasonable price, fast delivery, and best service to you, and distributing our products all over the world. Welcome. To contact us for more information. Thank you.